Let's bring you to all that we're doing on the show this morning. We've always told you that you're an integral part of what we do on the show. Be a part of this morning. Send us a mail, sportsthismorning@channelstv.com, Facebook, Channels iPhone Sports, and on Twitter @channels_sports. We've talked about golf this morning. We've talked about football. We've talked about managers waiting to be hired, managers already fired. We've also talked about Nigeria's under-20 female team, talking about the Falconets. They're away in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, hoping to get the job done, cross the line, and move to the next stage of the qualifiers for the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup. And also, we will be talking about the English Premier League and take you through the papers as well. A lot of interesting things still left for you on the show. But Tayo, quickly talking about the Falconets, a lot of us on this side already getting complacent, saying, you know, you're leading 3 goals. Tanzania not really a strong side. Just go there in Dar es Salaam, do the job. But is there a possibility of...
Fair play to you. Fair play to you for getting complacent. I mean, as long as you're not part of the team. That
I say, yeah, a lot of people on this side.
Right, so it's free. Fans can get complacent for as much as they want, as long as the players are staying focused, as long as the coach, Adamu, is staying focused, you know, ensuring the players have their feet firmly on the ground. I don't think that should affect them against Tanzania. 3-0 is a very comfortable lead. You haven't considered an away goal, so you haven't given away an away goal. So home goal, I beg your pardon. So you just go to, you know, Dar es Salaam, try and, you know, just consolidate, wrap it all up,
at
probably
age
get
grade,
a win.
At age grade, women's football now, at age grade, a lot of people believe that at senior level, maybe some teams are catching up, but age grade, nobody comes close.
Right, I mean, that's what it looks like. I mean, these girls, they've always qualified for every event of the Under-20 World Cup as well.
But there's no excuse.
Sorry?
I said, you're trying to say it's no excuse to be complacent.
No, you can't get complacent now. That's what I'm saying. So all the fans can, you know, be overconfident and all that. But in terms of the match itself against Tanzania, the first leg wasn't as easy as the scoreline suggests. Because the first half ended just 1-0. Second half, they improved. They were a lot better and got 2 goals from Rashidat Aji Bade. So we're wishing the girls all the best. Yeah, just get the job done. Come back, move on to the next round of the qualification phase.
We've talked about that game, so let's allow you enjoy Nigeria, Tanzania, right here in Nigeria, in Benin. So let's, you know, allow you enjoy it. Hopefully, we'll see the same in Dar es Salaam. Welcome back. We're now joined by Ben Alaya, Editor-in-Chief, Sports Day.
Yeah, right.
I hope I don't mix it up. Good morning. It's nice to have you on a day like this.
Nice to be here also on a day like this.
All right.
1 week thereabout to the crunch game against.
Right. I know you can't wait to talk about that.
Yeah, but let's start from something that you sat down, you saw. Let's go about the girls. You saw them in Benin. You saw the game. Some of us here feel that the score line was a bit flattering. Now they're in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, to play the second leg. How easy do you think the second leg will be, knowing that we have a 3-0 advantage?
I don't think the scoreline was flattering. I think it was even.
It should have been more.
Yeah, it was even conservative because the guy had chances, to score more. The Tanzanians too, as they came, they didn't come to look at the Benin moats. they came for business. From the airport, you could see their head of delegation boasting that they came here to give us a good fight. And if you see Tanzanian football, and indeed most African countries, they are rising gradually like that, and so we cannot take them for granted. But I think that if you ask me, I think in Dar es Salaam, I think we should be home and dry.
And dry.
You don't see any possibility of an upset?
No, it's not possible. Not with 3-0.
I just wanted to hear you say that.
The best they can get from the Nigerian guys is a draw. Otherwise, they'll get beaten again at home.
Okay.
Take my word for it.
Okay, I'm taking your word for it. Okay, where do we go from here, Taya?
ITL Cup.
Okay, let's.
Okay, yeah. Before we come back, we get to analysis of the semifinals of the ITL Cup. We'll go on this break. I'll come back for more on Channel Sport this morning.